Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for April 11th, 2024. Let's take a quick look at how things worked out today. Well, it was a much quieter day today than yesterday. First thing this morning, just before market open, we did get the PPI month-over-month figure, which came in lighter than expected. I mean, the previous report was an increase of 0.6%. Consensus was 0.3, forecast 0.4. The actual was 0.2. So the market did like it. We did go up earlier. The Dow, by the end of the day, it gave back all of its gains. So ended up right where we were yesterday. The S&P 500 was up 36 points, still sits under the 20 MA, but is right there. The NASDAQ had a decent day. Techs led the way. The NASDAQ up 292 points, closing back above the 20. Now, we have a flat 20 here. So we do have a victory buy signal here, but remember, when we have a flat slope on the 20, what do we look for? We either look for a break above a previous high pivot or a retest of the 20. We don't have either one right now, so we sit tight here. The Russell gaining back 14 points from that huge drop yesterday, still well under the 20. If we look at crude oil, it was down today, down about 63 cents, but that, in the last week or so has just kind of been sideways. So no real change there. The real winner again, gold. I mean, just moving here up almost 46 points on the day. Silver following suit, moving strongly here, up almost 2% on the day. Bond yields once again, mostly higher on the day, as was the dollar, although, modestly here. The VIX did pull back just under 15 here. Now, what do we have to look forward to? Well, tomorrow, earnings season kicks off with the likes of JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, I believe, and Citigroup. I believe all three of those are before market open tomorrow morning. So again, we'll get a gauge as to where we are with the futures market ahead of the open. But right now, remember, the longer-term trend, weekly, monthly timeframes, remains firmly intact to the upside. For the market overall, the daily not showing us a trend higher right now. So, at this point, we want to see all three timeframes align. So we're going to be very patient with this. But like I said, we're kicking off earnings season, so it should be pretty exciting as we move into next week.